class maths. Okay, everyone like in the maths? Yes. Now for the first topic is shapes and lines. What is the topic name? Shapes and lines. Okay, now I write the title name. Everyone, you take your note and copy the regular. Shapes and lines. First one, you see the lines. We have already learned about lines. Lines. What is lines? That is standing. This like, draw this. Everyone like in the lines. First one, the lines are two types are there. How many types of the lines? Two types are the lines. First one is straight lines. And lines. Two types are lines is the first one is straight lines, another one is curved lines. The both lines using today class. Okay, wait. Lines. Everyone draw that chart. Okay. Straight lines. Another one is curved lines. Yes, first one you see the straight lines, the standing line. Okay. Standing lines. You know the standing lines, anyone? Yes, that is correct. So, that is standing line. That is standing line. Standing lines, how many ways to draw the standing lines? Only one way only draw the standing lines. How many ways to draw the standing lines? Only one way. Okay. How many ways to draw the standing lines mean? Only one way only draw the standing lines. The next one is what? Sleeping line. Next one is what? Sleeping line. Sleeping lines. You know the sleeping lines? Anyone you show the sleeping line? Yes, that is sleeping line. So, sleeping lines also only one ways to draw it. How many ways to draw the sleeping line? Only one way. That is sleeping line? No. That is sleeping line? No. That's just right. Only one ways to use the drawing sleeping line. Okay. So, next one is slanting line. Next one is third one is slanting line. Slanting lines means two ways to draw. Standing lines means two ways to draw. Standing lines also only one way. Sleeping lines also same thing, only one way to draw. But slanting line is to draw in a two way. That also left, right, up and down here. Both one called in a slanting lines. So this only draw in a two ways. Others both one draw in a only one way. So that is lines. Okay. Now see the three types of lines finished. Next one is curved lines. Next one is curved lines. Curved lines means many of them is there. Now I will draw one picture. That is curved lines are standing lines, sleeping straight lines are used. So I draw one part. That is any straight line is there? No. Every lines have a curved. Here also curved. See here. downside, then the every lines have a curved only come here that picture, so that is called in a curved lines, in a curved lines. So curved lines also different types of is there. This is also curved lines. This way also draw in a curved lines. So many types of draw in a curved lines. So one small recap for in a lines. How many types of lines is there? Two types is there. One is straight lines, another one is curved lines. So straight lines are three types is there. First one is standing line, sleeping line, another one is slanting lines. Three types is there. Those standing lines is only draw in a only one way. Another one next is sleeping line. Sleeping lines also draw in only one way. Next third one is slanting line. Slanting line, how many ways to draw it? Two ways draw in a slanting lines. Okay, the basic lines only using make a shapes. Now you count and write the lines. First one example 1, count and write. Count and write. I draw one picture, then you write how many standing line is there, how many slanting line is there, how many sleeping line is there. That picture you write. Okay. Yes, first everyone draw that picture in your note. Yes, everyone draw it? Yes. Now listen, here different lines using you count and write. The first one standing line. Here how many standing line is there? You first count and write. First one standing line. Okay. So here any standing line is there? That is standing line? No. That is standing line? No. So that is standing line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many standing line is there? 4 standing line is there. How many? 4 standing line. Okay, next sleeping line. You count the sleeping line. Here, how many sleeping line is there? You count and write. Second one is sleeping line. Yes. Now you write. Now you count the sleeping line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sleeping lines also how many? 4. Yes. The next one bending is what? That is slanting line. So third one is slanting line. 1, 2, 3. How many slanting line is there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 slanting line is there in the picture. Yes. Okay. Can you understand everyone? Yes. So you easily count and write the standing line, sleeping line and then slanting line. It's okay. Yes. The next one I draw it. Then you count and write. Example 2. Yes. Everyone, you draw that picture. So draw it here. Yes, draw it. Now you count and write the standing line and sleeping lines. Yes, any idea here? Guess how many standing lines is there? Yes. Now, standing lines are 1, 2, 3, 4. How many standing line is there? 4. Next one is what? Sleeping line. Yes. How many sleeping line is there? 1, 2. How many sleeping line is there in the picture? 2. Another one is, yes, correct. That's okay. 3 sleeping line is there. The next one missing is what? Next slanting line. Here how many slanting line is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slanting line is there in this picture. Okay, everyone you understand? Yes. So that is lines. You identify the lines. Everyone show your hand for standing line. That is slanting line, sleeping line. Next one is slanting lines. Everyone you do it. Standing line, sleeping line, then slanting lines. Okay. Yes. Next one you going to shapes. Okay. Thank you. Flat shape. First one is what? Square. Yes, the square. Anyone you know this square? Yes, okay. That is square. Everyone you draw the picture for in a note. Okay. Yes, that is square. What is this? That is square. The square, it has 4 lines. Yes. How many lines for in a square? 4 lines for in a square. Yes. Here each and every lines is called a side. Each and every line is called a side. What is this? This line is also called in a side. This line is also called in a side. The next one, this line is also called in a side. Here, top of the lines also called in a side. What is now? The flat lines, lines everyone called in a side. Okay. So, the lines are joining the one place is called corner. The 2 lines are joining the place. The 2 lines are joining the place is called a corner. The 2 lines are joining the place is called a corner. What is this? Corner. Everyone you see in your home, the 2 walls are joining the place is called a corner. Okay, you go and check in your home how many corner is there. You go and check it. Yes, the same one that you imagine, that is one wall. Then here one wall. The both wall is joining the place is called a corner. Okay. Yes. Now, what is the features of square? What is the features of square? Square means that it has a, how many sides is there? Square has how many sides is there? Everyone you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides is there? It has 4 sides. How many sides have a square? It has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. The next feature is how many corner is there? How many corner is there? This figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners do you see in this picture? it has 4 corner. Yes. Next one is square has all sides are equal. That is very very important. Square only, all sides are equal. How many sides equal for? How many sides equal for the square? 4 sides. You see, same length. Here also same length. Then up and down also you see same length. So that is called a square. Otherwise, different size of you draw this like you draw it. That is called in a rectangle. So the 4 sides are equal. That is called in a square. So next one is important point is what? It has all sides. Okay. So what is the features of square? It has 4 sides, then 4 corners, then all sides are equal. All sides are equal. The 4 sides are equal. That is features of square. That is square. It has, you see here, all sides are equal. The 4 sides are equal. Then 1 corner, 2 corners, third one, the fourth. So it has a 4 corners. The all side, that is one side, 2, 3, then 4. That is square features. Okay. Yes. The next one is goes to rectangle. Next one is what? Rectangle. Yes. Another one. Anyone you see the square box in your daily life? Anyone? Yes. Everyone like in a chess? Everyone like in a game in a chess? Yes. The chess board have many square boxes there. The chess board have many square boxes there. Every square box is it same side, say 4 sides, 4 corners and equal place is the square. Yes. The next one is rectangle. Second one is rectangle. The rectangle is, how is it draw? You draw this. Everyone draw in a note for in a rectangle. Yes, the rectangle is what? The already square is the 4 sides. So same, this also rectangle is also same one. 4 side is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has also 4 sides. Then same line. The 2 lines, the meeting, that point is called a corner. So this is also 4 sides and 4 corners. Everyone label the side for in a rectangle. Side with side. Yes. Then next you label the corner. Yes, corner. Yes, that is corner. Yes. Now, how many sides is there? You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The rectangles also 4 side is the next corner also 4 corner is there. It has also same look like a square. 4 corners and 4 sides. Next one is the square has all sides are equal, but rectangle has opposite sides only equal. What is this? the rectangle only opposite sides only equal. Square as all sides are equal. You see here the length. See here, up and down only the length of the same, but left and right that side the both lines are unequal. That is, that length is long but that is shorter. So that is opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal for in a rectangle. See here, opposite sides are equal, length and breadth. So that is called a rectangle. Okay, then see the picture, the rectangle here, you see the how many, see same, look, this like 1 2 3 4 corner is there. 1 2 3 4 corner, same one side is 1 2 3 4 side is there. See here, this like opposite sides are equal. You see the blackboard, so you see up and down length only equal. See here, left and right length you see that is equal. So opposite sides only equal for the rectangle. Okay.